Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel, the Jerome Moses channel. Today I have a brand new video. I'm going to show you a new wallet. I'm going to show you how to install the Klever Wallet. The Klever Wallet, they also have their own token called KLV token. So I'm going to show you how to set up and install the Klever Wallet. But before that, let's first go to the website and read through what they do, what it's about, and then I'll give you a link below where you can install the Klever Wallet. So let's go to the website. The website is klever.io. So that is KLEVER.io. So we are now on the website. As you can see, it shows on the website, it's here, it's saying over 1 million downloads. So it's the best in all one cryptocurrency wallet. Klever Wallet is the perfect choice to buy and trade the world's major cryptocurrencies securely, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, TRON, XRP, and LTC. It's both on App Store and on Google Play Store. I'm scrolling through the website. So you can buy crypto with a credit card. I think this will be in the next lectures, the next tutorials. So start your investment in cryptocurrency by buying directly in the app with a credit card. Let's continue. Swap your cryptocurrency instantly. Trade your currencies directly in the app. No registration, no KYC, wow, no selfie. Receive rewards back from your friends' swap fees. As I told you, so I'll show you this interface later on. So you can also use your favorite apps, a complete browser in your hands to access your favorite blockchain projects, fully compatible with Ethereum and TRON blockchains. Let's continue. Complete, safe and easy to use. They have a 24/7 support. Support is one of our great highlights. We have a global and world-class service team. Peer-to-peer. Klever is a decentralized P2P and self-custodial wallet network. Your keys, your crypto. Military encryption. Klever utilizes the latest military-grade technology for encryption. It's in over 190 countries. Yes, you heard that right. And it's in over 30 languages. Wow. So you can configure the language and base currency of your portfolio for ideal and local experience. I'm going to show you that. So what our clients say. So frequently asked questions. Let me just read this one. What is Klever? Klever is a crypto wallet ecosystem serving over 2 million users from more than 200 countries worldwide with Klever App, Klever OS, Klever Swap, and other emerging products and services. Klever is a simple, powerful, smart, and secure crypto wallet for Bitcoin, TRON, Ethereum, LTC, and other top cryptocurrency assets. Klever is a decentralized P2P and self-custodial wallet network, putting the private keys in the hands of their users. This means that the users have total and full control of their private keys, and that the Klever team cannot at any time or in any way access users' funds or view their private keys. Klever is made for people. I won't read all that. I'll give the link you read through on the website. I'll check in the description of this video. You will read more about Klever Wallet. So the Klever ecosystem supports the world's major blockchains, including Bitcoin, TRON, Ethereum, Binance, Bitcoin Cash, all ERC20 tokens, all BEP20 tokens. It's really a powerful wallet, really. So Klever ecosystem and roadmap. Again, I won't read this. I'll just give you a link below, and then you read about it. You click in the description, you'll find a link to sign up and download the wallet. So why should you use our crypto wallet? Let's go. Okay, I won't read it. So we go to now. After getting an overview of what Klever Wallet is, let's get it on Play Store. Click on this. Since I'm using Android, that's why I clicked on that part. So if you're using an iPhone, you go to the iPhone store. So here again, a brief of this, just something short. It's almost the same information we saw on the website. Klever App is simple, powerful, smart, secure for Bitcoin. We saw that. Decentralized P2P, self-custodial, meaning the keys are in your own hands. If you lose them, you lose your crypto. So truly own with Klever, truly your own crypto with Klever. Klever offers true and secure ownership of your crypto. You'll also read this. I'll give you a link, as I said. Engaging, exchanging cryptocurrencies from one blockchain to another. I'll show you this in the next videos. It Klever Wallet has over 300 trading pairs. It has over 10 blockchains. I also talked about this when I was on the website. So and all these improvements, blah, all this. So we go back. As you can see, it has over 500k downloads. It's 37 MBs. So we click on install. Install will take some time. So finally our wallet has installed. So now you click on open. So it's going to set up. Our wallet is opening shortly. Takes a few seconds. It has opened. So the first thing that we see is a privacy policy. You must read and accept our privacy terms to continue. It was last updated August 11, 2020. So you have to read through this. I know most of you don't like reading through this, but it's really important. So read through the privacy policy, because if you don't read through and if you don't agree, then you won't continue. So I click on I have read, and then you click on continue. So welcome to Klever App, Litecoin P2P wallet. Let me scroll through this. Security, privacy and security for your transactions. Votes, freezing and vote for super representatives. Address book, save the addresses of your friends and contacts. Multiple accounts. So here we are going to create a new wallet. Click on create wallet. But at first we are going to create a pin. Before you create a wallet, we are going to create a pin, which you must obviously save. So I'm going to create a simple pin. I'm going to create a pin. I'm going to re-enter the pin I created. And then I'm good to go. So this is my seed. So I have to write it down. Writing down the recovery phrase is very important. It's called either the recovery phrase or seed. Please write down your 12 words backup seed on a paper. I've just done that. It is the exact same order, in the exact same order as shown below. And store the paper with the seed in a safe place. Your 12 words, seed and private keys give you direct access to your wallet, and do not give this information to anyone. So in case you lose your wallet, in case you lose your phone, this 12-word seed phrase, if you have it, you can recover that wallet. But if in case you lose your phone without saving the seed phrase, this has ever happened to me. I lost like $200. I had just installed the wallet, I had not yet backed it up, and then the phone got stolen. So I lost that wallet. So you have to save this. This is very important, especially if you're a new person in crypto. You have to save this seed phrase. So I click on I've saved it. So now I have to confirm. Seed confirm. Your 12-word seed and private key, never give to anyone. So I have to confirm them in the exact way they were given to me. So after we have recovered our recovery phrase, we click on verify, and the next thing we are being told here is security alert. Stay tuned. Your seed or private key give direct access to your account. Never give this information to others. Never. As I told you previously, never. So I understand that if I share this information, I'm putting my account at risk. So I understand. So next, click on next. We will never ask you for your seed. Important notice. No one on the Klever team requests the user's seed or private key, whether through support, promotion, giveaway, website, Telegram bot, or any other type of contact. So let no one ever scam you that Klever team or anyone needs your recovery key, maybe to set your account or to help you out. They don't ask for it. Never. And don't give it out. It should only be under your control. So you click OK. I got it. So enter your referral code. Let me skip this. I don't have. So increase your security. Since I have, so I'm going to skip this. I'm going to skip this, but if you have a phone that has a fingerprint like mine, you can set it up, but let me skip this. I'll set it later. So finally, we have set up and installed our Klever wallet. So this is how it's going to look. Obviously, total amount is 0. As you can see, it is showing 0. We have a few accounts here. We have, they have given us BTC. Obviously the value I have is 0. BTC, Gref, KEF, BCH, BNB, all this. We have our token, TRON tokens, blah blah blah, all this, Binance tokens, Ethereum tokens. So we have installed. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to have a walkthrough, I'm going to show you how these other things, these other buttons work. There is news, there is also this one, the DApp browser. I'll show you this later, the next video. I won't show you now. This video will just purpose how to install it, and then the next video, please watch the next video just after this. I'm going to show you how to go through the wallet, how to swap. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you set up and install Klever Wallet. So as I said, I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can download the app properly and securely. Thank you. Share and subscribe. Thank you.